welcome back again to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome and I am so excited to meet you. My name is Lauren and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out whenever I upload my new videos. Today we'll be doing a song. It's actually a Chinese audition by Sing China 2023 by Moe. So really, the write-ups in China, the songs in China, but I really love her voice and I hope you like it too. So don't forget to let me know if you know the interpretation of the song. Don't hesitate to share it right in the comment section and throw more light on what the song is about. I just want you guys to enjoy the harmony with me and let me know what you think about it. Let's check it out, guys.
你还记得吗？
Okay.
记忆的眼神，散落在风中的一阵风，神话的都已沙哑，没结果的花，未完成的牵挂。我们学会许多说法来掩饰不碰的伤疤。 因为我会生气，我害怕面对自己，我的意志
Wow, her voice is
被
really...
寂寞吞噬。因为你总会提醒，过去总不会过去，有种。
Wow, really guys, she's amazing. She's got a great voice. You know, I love the fact that the world is becoming better every day. You know, who could have thought a black girl singing in Chinese, and she's really good. It's a Chinese audition and she's there singing in Chinese language and she's really good. It makes me proud of where we are today and how the unity that has developed in the art space. I really love it, guys. I don't know what the song is about. I really don't understand China, but I know the song is great and I hope you like it. Let's listen to the last phrases of the song, and I hope you're enjoying it too, guys. Wow, it's really beautiful. Wow, guys, I really love the emotion, the energy she owes. I mean, she has claimed the stage and, you know, the emotions, you can feel it right from her expressions and from the depth of her voice. It's such an incredible performance, guys. She's really good. Wow. Okay. Wow, she's really great.
还记得吗？
Oh my goodness, she's really great.
你的眼神，我终于没身子的分着，最后要用谁到达？
She's really good. Wow. Okay. There was really a massive one. It's really huge. I hope you like it and enjoy this song. She's really great. And to even think that she's a blogger singing in China, wow, that is something highly recommendable. I really love the song and I hope you do too. Don't forget to let me know what you think about the song, the inspiration and the emotions right behind under the comment section, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out whenever I upload my new videos. Until my next video, I remain your girl Lauren. Bye.